about the only clarity today came in the bail amount, $150,000, and the conditions of George Zimmerman's release. Plenty, though, to talk about. First, David Mattingly, who was at the hearing.
Everyone expected revelations. Both sides walked into court anticipating new evidence from prosecutors arguing to keep George Zimmerman in jail. No one expected this.
My client wants to make a statement to the court, Your Honor.
Wearing a suit and shackles, George Zimmerman shuffled to the witness stand and spoke directly to the parents of Trayvon Martin, who were seated in the audience just a few feet away.
I wanted to say I am sorry for the loss of your son. I did not know how old he was. I thought he was a little bit younger than I am, and I did not know if he was armed or not.
But immediately, the prosecutor attacked Zimmerman, questioning his timing and motivation.
That's really addressed to the family and where the media happens to be, correct, Mr. Zimmerman?
No, to the mother and the father.
Okay. And tell me, after you committed this crime and you spoke to the police, did you ever make that statement to the police, sir? That you were sorry for what you'd done or they're lost?
No, sir.
You never stated that, did you?
I don't remember what I said. I believe I did say that.
You told that to the police?
In one of the statements, I said that I felt sorry for the family.
You did?
Yes, sir.
So that would be recorded because all those conversations were recorded, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you're sure you said that?
I'm fairly certain.
Why did you wait so long to tell Mr. Martin and the victim's mother, the father and mother, why did you wait so long to tell them?
I was told not to communicate with them.
The surprise testimony almost overshadowed a stellar day for George Zimmerman's defense. An investigator for the state couldn't answer basic but critical questions. Who threw the first punch?
Do you know who started the fight?
Do I know?
Right.
No.
Do you have any evidence that supports who may have started the fight?
No.
And did forensic analysis of the recordings determine who is that yelling for help on the 911 calls?
Is that part of your investigation?
Yes, it is.
And has that given you any insight, to the extent that you're aware of it, as to the voice?
No.
Fearing for their safety, Zimmerman's family testified by telephone. His father talked about his son's injuries.
His face was swollen quite a bit. He had a protective cover over his nose. His lip was swollen and cut. And there were two vertical gashes on the back of his head.
His mother talked about Zimmerman's work mentoring African-American children in unsafe neighborhoods.
I had told my son, please don't go, it's too dangerous. And he said, Mom, if I don't go, they don't have nobody.
And we heard for the first time from Zimmerman's wife, a student, unemployed, and worried about safety.
I have received hate mail.
Okay. And have you reported that to the police?
No, I haven't.
Have you reported that to my boss, Ms. Corey, the state attorney's office, so that somebody can investigate it?
No, sir.
Did you keep those threats?
I'm sorry?
Did you keep that hate mail?
Yes.
The state asked for $1 million bond. In the end, the judge ordered Zimmerman released on a bond of $150,000. And safety remains the overriding concern about George Zimmerman's release from jail. How is he going to escape all this scrutiny and slip back into hiding that he emerged from to turn himself in? Anderson?
David Mattingly, thanks very much.